Greetings, guys. We are about to analyze a USDCAD specifical. As always, I'm using a multi-time frame, which is the top-down analysis. So currently, right now, what I see on the USDCAD, first of all, this is my highest high. This is my highest high. This is my highest high, and then this is my lowest low here. This is my lowest low. And at the same time, as you can see here, we have even this level, but this level, I'm not going to just mark it right now. For us end up buying here is because of this kind of double bottom that the market managed to give us here. That's the reason why we end up see a USD buying is because of the market. It managed to give us a double bottom, but currently right now, because of there is nothing that I can mark right now, I'll quickly move it to a weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, as we can see right now, this is our support and resistance. This is our supported level. This is our supported level. This is our supported level. And then as we can see here, this is our major resistance, major supported level, major supported level at the same time. And then this is our major resistance level. This is our highest level, as you can see here. Let me just do something like this so that everyone can see or understand or can be clear. So, but okay, it's fine. Let me just cancel it and then use it the line. I'm gonna just cancel it and use the line. Yeah. This is our major supported level. This is our major resistance level, as you can see. And then the reason us to end up see a USD buying is because of this W formation. And as you can see here, we started to realize that what the market is doing right now, the market is ranging on a weekly time frame. As you can see each and every time, what you need to put it in your mind. Let me just fetch something. It's an impulsive and correctively, and impulsive and correctively, and impulsive and correctively, and impulsive again. Market create this high and give us this level, started to create a ranging market, tap on this level and the market goes up, create a this, give us a double top. And when we counted here, we're going to count it 1 and 2 and 3 here, and then you can see that the market, it was ranging. So this is a ranging market under support and resistance. This is our supported level, this is our resistance level. This is another side that I was just trying to show you guys on the USD specifically. So currently right now, what I'm gonna just do, I'm gonna just say, okay, as we manage to mark this level here, okay, it's fine, let me just leave it like that. This is our support and resistance. I will quickly move it to our daily time frame right now. On the daily time frame, we started to realize that the market, it was ranging. Within that ranging market, the market started even to give us another side to show us that the price is still moving under the sideways within the ranging market here. Within the ranging market, as you can see here. So I will just zoom in so that everyone can see. So another side, what I'm trying to show you again, we can see we have a first touch and second touch and a third touch. And then here we have a first touch and a second touch. Let me just adjust it, okay? I'm gonna just adjust it a little bit. Yeah. Let me just give me a time to adjust it. Yeah, it's still clear. Let me just adjust it even here. Adjust it here. As we can see, we have a first touch and second touch and a third touch here. Currently right now, what we see on the daily time frame right now, I don't want to talk about deeply into a daily time frame, but I'm gonna just making you aware so that we can understand. As we can see, each and every time it's forming the pattern. The market, each and every time it's forming the pattern. So this is some of the pattern that are overly used on the foreigners exchange market. The market, it was giving us a continuation. As you can see, the market 1, 2 touches, and then on this level 1, 2, 3 touches, and the market give us a double bottom and push to the upside and retested to this level again, break out and retested where to the previous level, which is this level here. As you can see, even the market, it managed to test the lower here. Let me just make it clear so that we can understand. So I don't want to tell you something that it doesn't have that you can compare. As you can see, the market managed to give us a breakout and retested to that level and push to the upside. I was just trying to show you another side. And then even here to see ourselves end up doing what? End up dropping to push the market to the downside. We did with a reason. Everything it managed to happen with a reason. As you can see, the market itself, it managed to give us ascending channel and drop to push to the downside. And then at the same time, I started even to realize that after the breakout here, the market retested where? From the previous level. So currently, right now, I'm going to just mark this level because of I see that this level is the level that is very absolutely important for us. And then market give us this ascending channel and push to the downside, a breakout and retested, give us another opportunity, and the market drop to the downside, and then approaching our 90% rule. So currently right now, as we are on the USDCAD, I'll quickly move it to an H4 because of H4 is where we started to realize that we have the continuation pattern or the reversal pattern. So as we can see on the USDCAD, the market, it managed to give us this kind of a channel here. This kind of a channel here. As we can see, this kind of channel. So be aware because of we've been expecting the market to broken that level. Be aware that there are high possibility that as we are looking at USDCAD, there are high possibility that USDCAD, it can even drop to the downside, tap into this level before it can push to the upside. This is another side. Remember, in trading, we work about the probability and possibility, what it can happen, what it cannot happen. So currently right now, the previous days, I was expecting to broken this level impulsive, as we know that each and every time, strongest level we broken impulsive, but we managed to fail to broken impulsive. We didn't break out. We end up even doing what? Rejecting to that level. So as we can see right now, what the USDCAD it managed to give us on our H4 time frame. So just allow me to put my trend line in a correct way because of it's very absolutely important to put a trend line in a correct way. So I'll just put it in a correct way. So as you can see right now, the market, it managed to reverse into that level. Look at how many touches, 1, 2, and 3 touches, and the market dropped to the downside. When you check very well, if you are open-minded, you're gonna realize that the previous days, what the market it was trying to create, the market it was trying to create some of the mostly pattern that are very powerful, which is when I check very well, the market it was trying to creating the inverse head and shoulder. As I told you that some of those patterns, they can still fail. Those kind of pattern, they can still fail. So this is another side that you need to be aware. This first shoulder, a head, and then another shoulder, the market managed to fail and then end up pushing to the downside again, end up creating 1, 2, 3 touches, which is a double top. So what I see right now, I started even to realize that what the market is doing here, the market, it managed to break it the previous level, which is this level right now. Break out the previous level. Break out the previous level on the neckline. When you check very well, it looks like it's an M formation. Break out the previous lower and retested, and then we're still expecting what the market even to do what to push to the downside because of we was expecting the things that we have been expecting. It managed to fail because of I remember the previous days I managed to put my level here. I don't remember very well, but I just think it's here. Yeah, something like this. I managed to put something like this, that the reason why the market, it was failing even to broken that level is because of when you check, the market respected that level because of this level and came back, bounced into that level and came back, bounced into that level at the same time, as you can see. So what we have been expecting to the market to push to the upside, we cannot force the market to buy, even the market it does not buy. So currently right now, what the market is showing us, it's showing us that once we broken to that level, there are high possibility that we'll be pushing to the downside. Once we broken this level, let me just mark it. Once we broken this level, once we can create something that managed to happen here, break out, and retested, and we'll be expecting the market to approach this level immediately. Once we break out on that level, we'll be expecting what breakout and retest so that we can push to the downside. Because of, as we can see, the market, it doesn't allow to push to the downside. As we can see, we've been expecting a USDCAD to push to the downside, but it doesn't give us it doesn't break it to that level. But automatically, this is another side. But the overall structure, let's be realistic, the overall structure is still telling us that we're supposed to buy immediately. Once we fail to break into that level, we'll be buying, expecting the market to push to the upside. Once we fail to break into that level, we'll be expecting what the market to push to the upside. Because of, let me just go back in, even on the weekly time frame. Let me just go back and show you another side. When I check myself, I started to realize that the market give us 1, 2, 3 touches. 1, 2 touches. Each and every time, immediately once the market give you 1, 2, 3 touches, that means the third point will have to broken impulsive so that we can expecting the market to approach this level. This is how the bigger picture is telling us. So even when you are trading the selling opportunity, be aware that the overall structure is bullish, because of we've been moving sideways. Let me just quickly move it to our daily time frame and show you this level here, what's really happening. Let me just show you another side. So I'll just let me just adjust it a little bit. No. Yeah, it's fine. Let me just put it here. When I check very well right now, I started even to realize that the market give us 1, and then 2, and 3 touches. 3 touches. It's not me. This is a technical. And then another side, what the market managed to give us: 1 touches. 2 touches. As we can see here, we didn't touch the market. It managed to just to fetch to that level, just fetching that level. We didn't touch at all. So as we can see, this is the setup that we have. This is the setup. Let me just adjust it a little bit so that, yeah, I'll just put it here near. Yeah. Even when I try to put the trend line here, it doesn't allow us even to touch it here. So we still owing this level. For me, to be honest, I don't want to lie to you guys. What the market is telling us, I can see, but to be honest, guys, I'm still expecting the market to do what? To give us a buying opportunity. When I check, it can give us something like this, which is the impulsive. I'm gonna just draw it the way it is and give us a little bit correctively like this. And the market even tap here and come back and tap here. So we can come back and bounce here and end up doing what? Pushing to the upside. This is how I think it can happen. But automatically, once we can broken here, we'll be expecting the market to approach this level where we're gonna say this is our double bottom. This is our double bottom. Once we fail to tap here, bouncing here, and then we end up broken and retested, we'll be expecting the market to push to the downside. But once we get a rejection here, once we catch a rejection here, we'll be expecting what? The market to do what? To push to the upside, where we can broken impulsive and came back to retest that level and still continue pushing to the upside. This is what I see into a USDCAD. So make sure, guys, you subscribe on my channel, like and subscribe, and then hit a bell so that when I upload a new video so that it can notify you. So you'll let me know what you think, because this is what I think it can happen. So this is what I see, guys. So I'll hear from you. Thank you very much. This is Mokosi JPY.